Hello students, yes, today we are starting our self-practice 4A. Question number first we will see. The sum of digits of a two-digit number is 12. Okay, so there is a two-digit number, that is, if it is a two-digit, it will have ones place and tens place. For example, if I have to write 26. So at tens 2 is coming and at ones 6 is coming. If I want to write 26, how I will write 26? Actually, it is what we are multiplying 2 by 10. Why 10? Because 2 is at tens place and plus 6. So it will be 20 plus 6, that is 26. Okay, so this is actually your basic. Okay, so here we don't know what we have to take at ones and tens. So what I will do is I will assume. Okay, so you will answer as let ones place digit be. Ones place digit I am assuming as x. Okay, ones place digit is x, and at the same time I will assume for tens place also, and tens place digit be y. Okay, so can I say the number will be 10 into tens place digit plus x, that is 10y plus x. Give it equation number 1. So this is your number. Now we will move to the next. What it is saying, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number. So what are the digits? According to question, can I say sum of digits means x plus y is equal to 12? Equation number 2. Now at the same time the number is, where is the number? This is the number. So it is saying again that the number is 6 times the unit digit. What is the unit digit? The unit digit is your ones digit, that is x. So can I say 10y plus x is equal to 6x, and we can say that 10y is equal to 6x minus x, that is 5x. So 10y equal to 5x. So from here we can calculate the value of 5y. 10x upon 5x upon 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So the value of y we have got is what? The value of y we have got is x upon 2. So y is equal to x upon 2. I will put this value in any one of the equation, either in equation. Okay, you can do one thing. You have done this from this equation. So what equation is left? Equation 2 is left. So put value of y in equation 2. Okay, so I will put the value x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, value of x is x, value of y is x upon 2. From above we have put the value from here. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM? 2. So 2x plus x is equal to 12. So this is 3x upon 2 is equal to 12. So value of x will be 12 into 2 upon 3. That is 4 2 ja 8. So value of x is 8. And what will be the value of y? Y is x upon 2, that is 8 upon 2, that is 4. So can I say if x is 8 and y is 4, so the number is what? Number is 10y plus x. So it will be 10 into 4 plus x is 8. So it will be 48. So beta, this is your answer for it. Find the number. Simply we have to find the number. This is the answer of question number first. Similarly, you can go with question number third. Second, you will try to do yourself. I am doing question number third. What it says. Yes, see, the sum of a two-digit numbers, the sum of a number of two digits and the numbers formed by reversing the digit is 110. So first of all, you will assume let ones place digit be x, okay, and tens place digit be y. So we know that what will be the number? The number will be 10y plus x. Now if I am talking about the reverse number, like if I am saying 26 is the number, so what will be its reverse number? 62. What we have done, we have changed their positions. So same way here also we will do. We can say that the reverse number will be 10x plus y. Okay. Now we will move according to the question. According to the question, what it is saying that the sum of a number of two digits and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 110. So it is saying number plus reverse number is equal to 110. So we will put the value over here. Number is 10y plus x. Reverse number is 10x plus y, and that is equal to 110. Just add 10y plus y, 11y. 10x plus x, 11x is equal to 110. So I can take 11 outside, y plus x. So y plus x will come. If you will cut it by 11, you will get value 10. So what value of x, y plus x you have got? Y plus x is equal to 10. Give it equation number you have not given, so it is 1. Okay. Now come to the next line. And the difference of the digits is 6. Difference of the digits, what is the meaning of it? The meaning of it is 1's place digit minus 10's place digit is how much? 6. So this is your equation number 2. What I will do is from equation number 2, I will find the value of x and y. X or y. From equation 2, can I say the value of x is 6 plus y? Put it in equation number 1. Okay, so I am placing it in equation number 1. What about equation number 1 is y plus x equal to 10. So value of y is y only, value of x is 6 plus y. So that will be equal to 10. Okay, so from here you get 2y plus, this plus 6 will move that side in minus. So you will get 4. 2y is 4. So value of y is how much? 4 upon 2, that is 2. So y we have got, y is what? 2. So can you find x? X is what? 6 plus y. So it will be 6 plus 2, that is 8. So can I say the number will be what? Can you say what is the number? The number is 10y plus x. So 10 into 2 plus x is 8. So that is 28. So what is the number they have asked in the question? They have asked the question that find the number. So the number is 28. Yes, now we will see question number 5. What it says, the number consists of 3 digits. Okay, so if it consists 3 digits, that means it will have ones, tens and hundreds place. Okay, the right hand being 0. What is the right hand? You can see that ones place is the right hand and its value is given to you 0. So tens and hundreds place value is not given, so we have assumed tens place digit be x and hundreds place digit be y. So the number will be what? 100 into y, because it is y is coming at hundreds place. 10 into x plus 0. Okay, so now there are few cases given in it. What is that? If the left hand and the middle digits are interchanged. Okay, can you see that? What is the left hand? Your left hand is this. So left hand and middle term. So can I say it is saying that it will become x and this will become y and 0 will remain at the same place. Okay, so can I say for this the new number, when you will do this, what will be your new number? Your new number will be 100x plus 10y plus 0. So you don't have to write 0 because it will remain same. Now, if they are interchanged, the number diminished, the number has become less by 180. So can I say it is actually saying that equation 1 minus equation 2 will be equal to 180. That is number minus new number. Number minus new number is equal to 180. So what is my number? Number is my 100y plus 10x minus, what is my new number? My new number is 100x plus 10y. That is equal to 180. You can solve this very easy. 100y plus 10x minus 100x minus 10y is equal to 180. So just 100 minus 10, 90. Y minus 90x is equal equal to 180. This implies 90 if you take common, x minus y is left 180. So x minus y is what? 180 upon 90 and that is 2. So what value of x minus y you have got? That is your value 2. Okay. Similarly we will see the second case. What is the second case? Second case is saying that left hand digits has been halved. So I will make again, okay, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. So what is my left hand digit? Y is my left hand digit for the number. Okay. So y has been halved. And the middle and right hand. So middle and right hand means it has become 0 and it has become x. So can you tell me what is the number now? So the new number will be what? 100 into y upon 2 plus 10 into 0 plus x. So it has become 50y plus x. This is your equation number 3. According to question, what it is saying again that the difference of the numbers, or you can say what it is saying that the number is diminished by 4, 5, 4. So now again it is saying that according to question you can say that number minus new number is equal to how much it is? It is 454. So what is my number? Number is my 100y plus 10x minus new number is what? 50y plus x. Just solve it. 454. Okay. 100y plus 10x minus 50y minus x is equal to 454. This is your 50y. This is your 9x is equal to 454. Can you see that you have got x minus y equal to 2? That was your equation number 4 if you say. Then from equation number 4, you can find the value of x and that is what? 2 plus y. So this value I will put over here. Put value of x. Okay. So that is 50y plus 9 into, what is the value of x? 2 plus y is equal to 454. Just solve it. 50y plus 18 plus 9y is equal to 454. So 59y is equal to 454 minus 18. So 454 minus 18, 436. And this is 59y. So y will be 436 upon 59. You can do with 59 in 9's table. 6 will come how many times? 9. Okay. You have to see, okay, 59 is coming. If you will divide it by 59, so it will come 4, 36 carry 3, 4, 5 are 20 plus, which is coming 236. So somewhere we have done something. You can see that in the question also, we are having 50y plus 9x, okay? 9 to 18, okay, it is correct. Now, 9 to 18 we will do minus 454 minus 18, okay? So it is 46, this is coming 4, 3 and then it is coming 4. So it should go with 59. 59 stable if you will do 9, no. We have to check the digits in the question, okay? Yes students, I found the mistake over here. What was the mistake? You can see that here we have done 90y minus 90x. And what we have written over here? 90x minus y. It is actually y minus x. It should not be x minus y, okay? So it is y minus x. Y minus x is coming how much? Y minus x is coming 2. So here also you are getting y minus x is 180 upon 90, that is 21. Okay. So from here if you are getting value of any one value, like if I am getting y or x, whatever you want, if you want, x will be what? X will be your y minus 2. So wherever you have put the value of x, here you have put the value of x. So in place of 2 plus y, you will put what? Y minus 2. So now you can solve plus 9y minus 18. Okay, so this 18 will come this side in class. It will be your 472. 472. Okay, so the value of y is 472 upon 59, and that if you will cut, it will come 8. So value of y you have got. What is the value of y? Value of y is 8. So value of x will be what? 8 minus 2, that is 6. Okay, so what is the number if someone is asking you? So the number is what? 100y plus 10x. So 100 into 8 plus 10 into 6, that is 800 plus 60, that is your 860. Okay, I think you have understood this question. It is a little bit long. Yes, beta, you have to solve this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.